In today's video, I'm going to teach you becoming a Webflow expert, how to join the partner program. Joining the partner program starts with proving real proficiency. So today we'll focus on 3 practical ways to build the skills that matter. We'll use what's already inside Webflow, then branch out to structured lessons, and finally, explore external courses you can take at your own pace. When you're in Webflow, keep an eye on the guided prompts that pop up across the dashboard and inside the designer. These are not just tips, they're short, interactive tutorials that teach specific actions like styling elements, setting up responsive breakpoints, or publishing changes. Don't dismiss them. Work through each prompt, repeat the action a couple of times, and apply it to a small practice site. If a prompt mentions a feature you don't use often, open a blank page and test it immediately. This hands-on repetition turns new concepts into muscle memory, which directly improves the quality and speed of your client work. As you progress, you'll notice these prompts suggest logical next steps, helping you build complete polished flows rather than isolated tricks. Next, use the Learn link at the top of Webflow to jump straight into Webflow University. Here you'll find step-by-step courses, quick lessons, and deep dives created by the team behind the product. Start by choosing a path that matches your level, then follow along by building in a separate project so you can pause, test, and compare your results. Use search to target topics like CMS collections, interactions, or accessibility, and bookmark lessons you want to revisit. A helpful tip is to complete a lesson, then rebuild the same component from scratch without the video. If you get stuck, re-watch just the segment you need. This loop of watch, build, and rebuild reinforces best practices the partner program expects, including clean structure, semantic elements, and responsive design. Finally, expand your learning with online courses, both free and paid. Platforms that offer Webflow training can give you structured curricula, assignments, and real project briefs. Pick recent courses that cover modern workflows, and look for ones that include feedback or community discussion. Set a weekly study schedule, treat each module as a mini project, and export your outcomes as portfolio pieces. Over time, these artifacts demonstrate consistency, problem solving, and attention to detail. As you work through these resources, keep a simple progress log and collect before and after screenshots of your builds. This becomes proof of your growth and a solid foundation for case studies. Key when you're ready to apply. Congratulations on taking the first steps. Start with the built-in prompts, deepen your knowledge with Webflow University, and round it out with external courses. Stay consistent, keep practicing, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a Webflow expert and pursuing the partner program.